Yo, what's up, my YouTube fam? First and foremost, I want to thank all of the new subscribers. I really appreciate all the love, the interaction. I feel like this is a 2020 forum. I'm going to keep great content coming to you guys. I'm going to make it really simple. This video is just basically to talk about you taking control of your rev limiter. Now, when I say take control of your rev limiter, this is for the elite people who are taking their cars to the track and who really pushing their car really hard, who's racing and every second counts. This is not for someone who daily drives their car. Disclaimer, I don't want anyone burning up their transmission or clutches or anything. But you know how our cars automatically upshifts. Some people may call it downshift, but I call it's pretty much upshifting, to where when you're pushing it, even if you're in sport mode or manual mode, it automatically shifts for you, like regardless of what you do or how hard you're pushing it. So it's kind of like manual mode really does not exist, because the car takes control of the gear shift if it feels like you're pushing it too hard, which is definitely a safety feature and something that you want to keep in mind. Safety features are for people who go crazy, just to protect people, to keep their cars a little bit longer. But I'm just going to show you a little hack in case you're racing and you need that 1 second to where you want your car to push and you don't want to lose momentum and downshifting, or if you upshifting, or if you upshift and you lose miles per hour or a second. Simple. I got this. This is my OBD 11. All I'm gonna do, I definitely recommend getting OBD 11. They do not sponsor me, but if you're a VAG guy, a car guy, BMW guy, German guy, I don't care. I think it's something good to have. So you're gonna go right here to my vehicle. So once I go to my vehicle, I'm going to go to control units. So I'm going to go to control units. Once I go to control units, I'm going to go to transmission. That's my engine. That's my transmission. To show you guys I don't have any engine codes. I know a lot of people like, you're pushing your car really hard. My engine is running perfect. So I'm going to press that. So I'm in my transmission. So it shows, this is where I can look at my live data. That's where I can look at identification, history. And just to show you what live data looks like, it's just kind of showing you just like the different things in your car if you want to monitor that, if you're a tuner or something. But simple, you go right over here to adaptation, and you go to where it says automatic upshift. So you click that, and the only thing that you have to do is click this, and it says not active. So if you put not active, your car will not switch gears until you switch gears. You have full control of your car as far as switching gears and your RPMs. If you want to scream at 8,000 RPMs, you can scream, but please know what you're doing. I'm just showing you guys some cheat codes, like contra, up, down, left, right, BA, select, start. If you're old as me, you know what that is. I'm just showing you guys some cheat codes to where you can take control of your car. I showed you guys the sprint booster in the other video, where you can have full control of your throttle. Now I'm showing you how you can have full control of your transmission when it comes to switching gears. So that's going to be it, guys. I got some fun stuff coming up that I'm doing to the car. Stay tuned. Stay with me. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for all the love and support. Peace.